Hi everybody. Today I'm going to do a flip through of my little mini journal that I made. I posted a picture of the cover on Facebook and I think I blew it up. I got so many positive comments and likes and questions about this journal cover, specifically this graphic. And I want to say that this is part of a paper kit by Scrimpin' Mommy, Amanda, and I will put the link in the description of this video. I did not create this graphic. I just got lucky enough to realize that it would fit perfect on this journal. So anyway, I just wanted to make that clarification, and let's get on to looking at this little journal. Okay, that's the back. It's got a hidden spine, so there's nothing on the outside. I didn't want to cover up the pretty paper. So let's get this open and see what we've got here. We've got a little piece of ephemera and a tag in this little pocket on the inside cover. And then there's this picture of a Victorian lady that I've got clipped on here with a rusty paper clip. I'm not going to take it off. You can do that. And then I did some stamping on some of the pages. I like to leave a lot of room for journaling in my journals, so the pages aren't heavily decorated. That way there's plenty of room for you to write. And I just did, this is avocado dyed paper that I made. This is the center, and I did the little stamps on the corners of all the pages. I thought it went well with the English country theme. Some more stamping, more avocado dyed and tea dyed. And here's a little belly band with a couple of journal cards that are also made from the paper. And they're actually made on Kofi dyed file folder scraps that I had. Okay, there's the first signature. And then in the middle I have this little, I don't know if you would call it a folio, but it's just a set of pockets that I made with some more of that gorgeous paper. And there's just miscellaneous. Here's a scrap of a piece of blue paper that I dyed and that I put on some file folder again, and then a postcard and just a little, I don't know what that is really, but you can journal on it. And what we got over here, we've got this little picture and a couple pieces of paper that I got somewhere. I thought it went well because of the tea rings. And there's plenty of room in these pockets. You can take this stuff out or you can add more stuff to it. And then here's the third signature. Here's another, this is actually a cabinet card that I've got stuck on there with a rusty paper clip. And more stamping. And here's a glassine bag that I did some collaging on from pieces that were in the kit that go along with this paper. And a couple of little postcards to stick in there you can journal on. And more avocado and coffee and tea dyed papers. There's some more stamping. And here's a doily that I put in the middle of this. I just edged it with a little bit of blue distress ink. More stamping. And here's the other half of the glassine bag. And it's just got a picture of a church and a little journaling card in there. And then that's the end of the third signature. And then here's another tag that I made with some little buttons dangling off. Go in the pocket. And there you go. That's the little journal. I thought it turned out really cool. My buttons are hanging out, but that's okay because they're blue, so they match. And I'm going to go ahead and pop this in my Etsy shop. And I'm actually going to make another journal of the same size using the same base for the cover and everything that I did for this one. So that way, if anybody has any questions on how to make it, hopefully you'll be able to follow along with my crazy process and make one for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.